think that actually the reversal today did have a lot to do with the news about Mnuchin and Pelosi resuming fiscal talks. I think that's the main reason why we have stalled in the market. Yeah, sure, we have uncertainties about election. It's seasonally, it's a weak period of time. And yes, to Mike's point, 30% of the S&P is tech, and it was overbought, overowned, and it still probably is to some degree. But, you know, we don't have any company headlines, right? And so what I'm looking for is better third quarter numbers. Maybe we hear more about buybacks so we can get out of this funk of just focusing on macro. But I have to say, well, if we do make progress on the fiscal side of things, I think that is a game changer, because you can't have 14 million unemployed people without giving them some assistance. We have all talked about how there are pockets in this economy that are doing well: housing, manufacturing, consumer, really great data that's coming out. But you have to help the joblessness. And I think that is the main reason why you are going to get a package at some point. I don't know, is it before the election or after, but you're going to get one.
So have you been taking the opportunity, the bumps in the road, to buy, Stephanie? If so, which kind of stocks?
Yeah, I mean, we've talked about kind of like barbell, right? We've talked about tech. I own a fair amount of tech, and you know I also had been selling some tech as well, Facebook and some Amazon as well. But look, these stocks are still up so much, Sarah, right? I mean, Apple and Salesforce, which I both own, are still up 50% in the year. NVIDIA, I own, up over 100%. Amazon is still up 65%, even with this pullback. So I'm just trying to be careful. Pick my spots on secular tech. I don't think we're there yet. But and you guys know I've been also focusing on the economically sensitive stocks because the economy is getting better. I want to own housing and housing exposure. I want to own manufacturing, and I'm 500 basis points overweight industrial, by the way, relative to my benchmark. And I do want to own pockets of the consumer.